The world is seeing a massive shift in the way business is conducted, daily interactions transpire, and everyday tasks are carried out. Sports officials are going to the monitors to make sure they made the right call. Children are spending their free time playing video games and socializing on the web, and video conference calls are held between executives on opposite sides of the globe. The education system, which is shifting right along with the rest of the world, is a key component in preparing the next generation for this rapidly changing and extremely technological world. The students in my future classroom will be prepared to live and work in a world that will likely be much different than the one that currently exists. For me, there are a few inspirational aspects to this shift, though they may be disheartening sometimes. It is sad to see school library activity dwindling since almost every book that has been written can be accessed in its digital format. However, students can now simply download the book they want to read onto their iPad and turn the pages with the click of a button. And all this can be done from wherever the student may be. They do not have to make a special trip to any certain place to pick up a text so that they may read it. There is no longer general information that is only accessible to a select few due to ignorance. Students can learn about practically anything they want by pressing a short series of keys on a computer. As an educator, I will incorporate a great deal of technology into the everyday workings of my classroom. This will allow students to be immersed in the tools of the real world. Although I do believe that some things should still be learned the old way, because technology does sometimes fail, nearly all lessons and assignments these days should have a technology component. Laptops, iPads, iPods, and a smartboard are the backbone of future classrooms. Today's classroom is not limited to the enclosure that exists within the walls of the school, though. Learning occurs everywhere, and using technological tools in a real-world setting will benefit students a great deal. As a teacher, I will create situations where students must use technology as a means to solve problems in the field. An example of this type of assignment would be to have students monitor the air quality on the playground using digital tools. Experience with technology is the best way to cope with today's ever-changing society, and what better place to get that experience than in the classroom.